Today I teach you the steps you need to do to sing a song well. It has the sharpest and most powerful phrases.
Na, 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 na. Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón. No. Canta conmigo.
It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish, Natalia Bliss, Clases de Canto desde cero. Welcome to my singing lessons from scratch. I'm Natalia Bliss, singer, pianist and vocal technique teacher. Singing a song well is like building a building. You have to go step by step. You can't miss any of these steps if you want to get a solid building. Step number 1. Choose a suitable song. It's not easy at all. In fact, many famous singers have their own composers who compose songs especially for their voices. What do you have to take into account when choosing a song? You have to know your vocal range, if you are a bass, baritone, tenor, soprano, etc. If you still don't know it, here you have my video test of vocal range, it's free. If you are a female alto,
To go so long.
And you want to sing a soprano song,
Nuestra historia le hace falta una segunda parte.
this is going to be very difficult because the vocal range is very different. Step number 2. First work the melody. I even recommend you to work the melody with some exercise like
La 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 o na na na.
As an example, today we are going to see the song Historia de un amor. In this case, you can practice the melody with Nana.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
In this way, you are adjusting and understanding the melody. When you have it, you can add the lyrics. Don't do everything at once. It is very important that you go step by step. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done it yet, press the red subscribe button and also press the little bell so you don't miss my new videos. The next step is to understand the rhythm. If you have problems with the rhythm, I would even recommend you to do the clapping, listening to the song without singing it, to understand the rhythmic drawing. For example, in this case it would be
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
The next step is to understand the dynamics. Any good song, especially a ballad, the most difficult to sing are the ballads. Has its dynamics, has its softer phrases,
Tienes algo nuevo que contarme.
holds the development of the song,
Te estará esperando para amarte.
and has the highest and most powerful phrases.
Que ha robado un trozo de mi vida.
It is important that you respect these changes, because if not, the song can then sound in tune and well rhythmic but flat and bland. And that's what we have to avoid. So choose the phrases that you can make softer, more tender, and choose the culmination of the song that you have to make those phrases more powerful. And for example, in this case, how would be the beginning? It's soft, it's tender. So here, I'm not going to make it strong.
Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón. No.
I'm going to make it soft because the powerful moment, I'm going to keep it a little bit later.
Estás más a mi lado, corazón. En el alma solo tengo soledad.
The development part of this song is this part.
Es la historia de un amor como no hay otra igual, que me hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal.
And now comes the culmination, is where I have to take out a little bit of power and I have to get a sharper voice, because here comes a sharp note.
Que le dio luz a mi vida, apagándola después.
And here again I am going down and softening the dynamics.
Ay, qué vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré.
And again soft phrase. As you can see, it's like a roller coaster that has highs and lows. So, with a pen, you have to write down the softer phrases, the development phrases, and the higher and more powerful phrases. And then, obviously, we go to the last step, which is the interpretation. It is very important to understand what the song is about, because many times we are so lost between different vocal techniques that we forget that we have to convey the message. What does the author of this song want to say? For example, in this case, Story of a Love, what is this song about? Try reading the lyrics of this song as if it were a verse, like a poem, just to understand each line and what it is about. In this case, it is about a love that has taught the person how to really love, that has made him see and understand that there are good and bad things in life. So, it's a dramatic song, and this drama you have to transmit. That's why you have to understand every word you are singing. Once you have this building of several layers, you have the melody, the rhythmic bass, the dynamic bass. At this stage, you have to transmit the sense and the message of this song through your experiences, as if you were an actor or an actress.
Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón.
You can do this phrase like that.
Estás más a mi lado, corazón, ¿verdad?
You have to transmit this pain, this drama, you have to feel, live and transmit it with your voice. But the only way to transmit the song is to understand what it's about. Because many times we sing the songs without understanding the message. I hope you liked my video, keep practicing, keep improving your vocal technique, and as always, I wish you to enjoy the music and enjoy your voice. Kisses!